everyone, it's Tammy, and I have an order here from Sweet Kawaii to open. And I never remember that this is the super tight envelope until I start opening it. I don't know why I can't remember that from month to month because it's always so hard to open. And then I struggle. But I'm getting it. I feel like I'm like spending half the video trying to open the daggone thing. Ooh, I got a different color bag today. So this says, thank you for supporting small business, and it has her little kind of mascot-y animals on it, and it's just super cute. I try to save it. I try to open it as carefully as I can. So really, I should probably open this before I start the camera, but you guys know me. That's not probably going to happen because I like to show you everything. Ooh, so I got a cool purple pen with little gemstones in it. That is cute. And it writes black. Very nice. Very nice. I'm going to put that with my other pens. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to shake you up. Excuse me. So this is a package that I get, a subscription that I get every month, I should say. And I get a mystery one and then a monthly planner one. Sorry, I inhaled wrong. Like I inhaled some of my saliva. Gross, but hey. So this one has 10 pages that you get, and I believe that this is the one that if you go on her YouTube channel, she'll show you what it is, but I usually do not look. I think there's only been one time that I did look, and I didn't even mean to, but then when I saw it, I couldn't stop looking. So there's goodness gracious. There's a kit that you pay for. This is the Kawaii kit, and she has it as the 11th of the month paid, and then the 15th or the 17th of the month it's shipped. And there's little stickers to put on your planner to mark those. And then there's a whole page of to-do stickers, headers. And this is for the whole month. This is supposed to be used for a monthly. And they're just so cute. Little checklists, full boxes, another full boxes. This one is functionals, hello weekend, and some quarter boxes and some half boxes. And then here are the days of the week and the dates. And then she gives us bonus of 2 washies this time. Super cute. And a piece of cardstock that you could use as a dashboard. What is this called? So it's really cute. I like this month. I don't love it because there's no critters on it, but I do like it a lot. It's really pretty. I like the muted colors. It's nice for fall. And this is intended for, well, I think she does it 2 weeks or 2 months in advance. So if this is September, this would be intended for the November. And it is really cute. So you guys should check her out if you are so inclined. Now her stickers are vinyl. I don't know if you've ever used vinyl stickers, but they are a little different, and you have to use permanent markers like Sharpies to write on them, but I really like them. I think they're nice and smooth. I don't like them on a daily basis, but occasionally I like them, and I think that they're nice in this kit. I love it. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you guys check her out. Sweet Kawaii Design, and this again is the monthly subscription, and it is just too much fun. And I love to get surprised, and I feel like, yay, I get to see what's new and what's coming out and what we get every month. It's just fun for me. So I hope that you guys like it too. Hope you check it out and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.